Hello children, welcome back to our maths class. Today, let's begin with our next topic, how to draw an angle. I will show how to draw an angle with the measurement of 60 degree. So, draw an angle ABC 60 degree with the ruler and protractor. So, first step what you have to do, that is you have to draw a ray which is called as arm of the angle. Understood? The ray AB. What you have to draw? A ray which is called as a arm of an angle. Understood? It is the ray and you have to name it as a and B. So, B is the, what is the B? B is the vertex. Understood? B is the vertex and AB is the arm of an angle. Arm of the angle. Understood? After this, after drawing a ray, you have to place a protractor. Understood? You have a protractor, no children? So, take a protractor, place the center of the protractor at B. Understood? Center of the protractor at B. And the baseline of the protractor along the arm BA. It is the BA is the arm. So, here baseline is there. You keep that baseline on the ray. That is BA. You have to place the baseline of the protractor on the arm of the angle. Understood? Next step, what you have to do? You have to find 60 degree. We want 60 degree angle means you have to find the 60 degree. Where it will come? You have to see inside the half circle. What it is? 0, 10, 20 from right to left. Here you will get 60 degree. Yes or no? So, after when you get 60 degree in your protractor, put a small, mark a small dot at the edge of the protractor. Understood? You have to mark a small dot at the edge of the protractor and mark it as a C. Understood? What you have to mark? You have to mark it as a C. And join the vertex B to the small dot C with a ruler to form the second arm, that is called BC. Yes or no? That is called BC. Here you can see no dot here. You have to join that dot with the arm or a vertex. See here you have to take a arm. That is a, which is that? You have to name it as a C and again one BC. How much it is? It is a 60 degree. Understood what it is? It is a 60 degree angle with the two arms BA and BC. Understood children? Again one I will show for you. See children, one more question I will show you. Draw angle ABC 120 degree with ruler and a protractor. As I described earlier, you have to draw a ray. Yes or no? First what you have to do? We have to draw a arm or a ray. See, here I am drawing a arm, that is BA. Understood? With the vertex B. So, again, as I described earlier, keep the protractor. That is the protractor. You have to keep the protractor on the vertex. Understood? So, the center of the protractor at B and the baseline of the protractor along with the arm BA. Okay. Next, find 120 degree. Now, you have to find out 120 degree. Where you will get 120 degree? Come from right to left. You can see here from right to left. Where you will get 120 degree? So, you have to mark a small dot at the edge of the protractor. You can see here 120 degree, yes or no? You have to mark a dot on the edge of the protractor. And afterwards what you have to do? You have to join the vertex B to the small dot. What we will name it as a C. Understood? You have to join the dot with the vertex B. Let's join the dot. Okay, what you will get? You will get a C. Understood? That is the BC. Again one ray you will get, that is called BC and BA. These are the two rays and B is the vertex. Understood, children? So how much it is? It measures 120 degree. So it is the angle of 120 degree. How we will write? You will write it as angle ABC is equal to how much? 120 degree. So like this you can draw easily a angle. How many you will get? See here, in the protractor you will get 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 180 you will get. So according to your questions, the measure of angle, how much they will ask in the question, you have to draw in the same procedure. You can draw any measurement. Understood, children? So okay, bye.